Meaning of darning.
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 Darning. Darning refers to a technique used to repair holes or tears in fabric, typically by weaving new threads into the damaged area. The result of darning is a repaired piece of fabric that has been reinforced and strengthened. This method is commonly used for repairing socks, sweaters, and other articles of clothing, as well as household linens and other fabrics. When done correctly, darning can be an effective way to extend the lifespan of damaged items and prevent them from being discarded and replaced.